Welcome back, guys. In this video, let's explore the vocabulary words related to food and eating habits. Food is a great machine in one's life. We are all fond of luscious and palatable food. We are going to categorize the people according to which basis they fill their appetite. Chocoholic. There could be none to dislike chocolates or candies. We love to have chocolates. In some cases, there are people who can't remain still a day without having chocolates. They do eat loads and loads of chocolates. Such people who have more cravings for chocolates and love are called chocoholic. Sweet tooth. People who have cravings to sweet and love to have sweets are categorized as sweet lovers. They are called as sweet toothers. So one is said to be a sweet toother, they have a strong fondness for the sweet foods. So they are also called as a sweet tooth. Gallop is someone who eats a lot and always feels hungry. They have the habit of eating at most of the times and always feel hungry. So these kind of the people are categorized as Gannett. Glutton. The person who dump themselves more than what they want. They knew the food taken is more sufficient but still consume more and more. These kind of food eaters are categorized as glutton. Gourmand. The people who intake more amount of the food. It may be either rice or chapatis or whatever it is. They always maintain more quantity in the list. So this kind of the food eaters are called as gourmand. Fuzzy eaters. Fuzzy eaters are reluctant to eat the food. Usually children come under this category. It's really a tough job to feed a child who's a fuzzy eater. People who consume a very little amount of food are termed as binge eaters. When they are much concerned about their weight gaining and want to be in diet control, and they do restrict their food and even it becomes a disorder. This disorder is termed as anorexia. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you feel it's good, keep liking and subscribing my videos. Stay tuned and meet you soon.